We've just had this fresh purchase from one of our clients. It's a lovely all-wheel drive 5-litre supercharged F-Type, and it's going to receive some preventative maintenance and preventative upgrades for reliability. This is the all-wheel drive model, and there's plenty to do to keep these things well maintained. Underneath these F-Types, the whole car is pretty much made of aluminium, but there are still some steel components. And as you can see, these steel components like to go a bit rusty and crusty. So we're going to remove these now, shot blast, re-powder coat them. If any fixings are particularly bad, we'll replace those. And for this one, which is generally the worst one, we've got our superior strength Raptor Up rated powder coated brace to go on there.
Unfortunately, from factory, Jaguar do not grease any of their nuts and bolts, just like most car manufacturers. So we're going to some slightly extreme measures to remove and extract the broken threads that are left in there before we go ahead and process the powder coating.
We currently have the exhaust removed from this Jaguar F-Type, so we can remove, shot blast, powder coat all these braces and fit our uprated brace here. And this is what a Jaguar F-Type exhaust sounds like. No, exhaust sounds like? This is what a Jaguar F-Type sounds like with no exhaust. Go on Matt, fire it up!
And we're going to be installing our very own Raptor uprated rear lower strut brace. Stronger in design than the original. This piece comes with a nice powder coated finish, all new stainless steel fixings. This improves the car's rigidity and side impact protection. And in the ends we'll pop some plastic end caps to help keep the dirt and water away. It's also a part of our Raptor handling package, which you can see in another video, and it's available on its own on our online shop.
Right, let's take a look at them all installed, freshly powder coated, Raptor uprated brace there with new stainless fixings. Same with this one, same with this one. Looking much more fresh, much more presentable.
So this F-Type all-wheel drive, we did the braces in satin black, much like from factory, but you can go for other colours too. Check out this one, which we did the braces in red to match the brake calipers.
Replaced all these fixings here for some stainless steel ones and applied some grease on the threads before installing them. Check that out. It's looking nice, isn't it? So the strut brace here we've replaced with one of our Raptor uprated strengthened ones, and that was pre-powder coated, ready on the shelf in satin black. So what we've done is wrapped that in red to match the rest, and at the end of the day that's just going to offer another layer of protection now. Nice stainless steel fixings in there. I had to drill and cut some various bolts and bits and bobs out. Drive shafts were seized in the hub, so to work on the diff we had to remove the whole hub with drive shaft attached and undo some more nuts and bolts. That nut we had to cut off there, so we've replaced that one. Got new drive shaft seals and input shaft seal in the diff and new fluid. Got a new aluminium bracket that we've fixed on here to stop the exhaust shield rattling, and whether you can see them, there we are, two fixings up there, got oversized washers on them now, so that exhaust shield's no longer rattling either.
The exhaust valves are really common for braking and seizing and just not operating correctly. So in the next week or two we have another video coming out. We actually offer an exhaust valve upgrade kit for the F-Type. So do stay tuned and take a look out for that. That'll be on our YouTube channel, and we'll try and list the service on the website as well. In the meantime, if you'd like more information, feel free to contact us. info@raptorcustoms.com. If you have the braces removed, shot blasted and re-powder coated on your car, especially if it's in another colour, whoever's working on the car in future can clearly see that this has been processed and the car's looked after, and they may just think twice about, for example, leaving a missing bolt out of the under tray, which sadly seems pretty common. And this one's got to be my favourite one yet. This one we did in yellow with our Raptor uprated rear lower strut brace and new fixings. We also did the brake calipers yellow at the same time. Check this one out.
Thanks for watching. We do have our own YouTube and socials. If you want to follow us and keep up to date and see more Jaguar related content, we are Raptor Customs. Give that a search. Search for Raptor Customs or Raptor Design. And thanks for watching. I'm Dud at Raptor.
And we'll see you on the next video. Raptor baby!